I probably don't want to do a lot of traveling this morning.
Yeah, if you do, you got just use some caution. We have been tracking, especially about 3 to 4 hours ago, as Stephen mentioned, he used the right word. It was dicey. Matesk came to work this morning. It was a little slick for your ride on Highway 412 out west. We had a little bit of light precipitation that impacted Highway 412 from Stillwater to Tulsa County to Creek County between 2, 3, and 4 o'clock. And that's the issue. So earlier on this morning, the roads, we had a glaze, and then Oklahoma City's had several rounds of some precipitation. The roads are really downhill right now in Oklahoma City, by the way, if you have travel plans there. Number of hours below or at 32. We're at 101 now, Tulsa. We'll go a couple more, and then the streak will be over. We think around the 11 o'clock time period, it's going to move up. Brandon Wells has been driving for us. He's near the Mounds area. Now, obviously, you can see the sleet on the side of the road, but it's earlier this morning. We had some very light precipitation, and some of the roadways are kind of looking wet. Some of them are not. So our advice is if you're traveling on a road that is wet, it's got that glaze, assume that there could be a slick spot or two. So here's Oklahoma City, and again, this is very light precipitation. I've adjusted the radar so we can kind of see where it's kind of drizzling. There's a little bit of light rain here, but it's mostly just drizzle, and it's moving eastward. McAllister, most of the falling precipitation now is east or south of your area. Now here's the Porter, Muskogee, Wagner, Choteau, Pryor vicinity. A couple of sprinkles here, maybe a mist on the windshield, and that's about it. Use some caution. Again, sometimes it does not take a lot to cause a little slick spot, and that's why we still have the advisory that's underway. We have a travel advisory for Tulsa County and the surrounding area until noon, and east central, far southern Oklahoma, actually. Pittsburgh, Latimer, LaFleur County, that's an ice storm warning. It expires at noon. We anticipate around 11 o'clock we go above freezing. By 3 and 4 o'clock today, areas northwest of Tulsa will have a little sunshine. Areas to the south may still have some additional showers in southern Oklahoma. Over the weekend, it's above normal. It's windy on Saturday, very windy on Monday. That's ahead of another storm system that can bring us some scattered showers and storms for part of Tuesday and Wednesday. Here's the future view. This is 1 o'clock today. We're above freezing in the northern areas, barely above it in southern Oklahoma. There can still be some spotty sprinkles and showers here, but the temperature should be above freezing. Now, take a look just northwest of Tulsa. 2, 3 o'clock. Let's stop the clock now. This is 4 o'clock. That is sunshine, the potential for sunshine today. Osage County, Washington County. The temperature would go up into the 40s. Tulsa at 45. The far southern areas, we would still have the potential here for some showers, some sprinkles, but the temperature should be above freezing. As it drops after sunset tonight, Latimer and LaFleur County, there might be some spotty freezing precipitation there, but it'll move out. Here's tomorrow morning. This is going to be early tomorrow morning. We're going to start in the teens and the 20s, and then Friday afternoon, a lot of sunshine. Winds out of the north early, out of the south tomorrow afternoon in the afternoon time period at 45, and the big weekend warm-up. Yep, that is going to be underway. Saturday 57, Sunday 62, Monday 68, and then Tuesday and Wednesday shower and storm chances. Use a little caution this morning, okay? Just remain aware. Could be a slick spot or two.